Taking a look at weather now, Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Nice that our cars woke up. We woke up to clean cars. At least I did. It felt like the car was sparkling this morning.
You know, rain's kind of a funny thing, right? A lot of rain can do a decent job cleaning your car off, but just a little bit can kind of make it spotty. So depends on how meticulous you are about having a clean car. Myself, you know, I drive like a small little truck, so I don't care if it looks dirty, but if you have like one of those nice cars with a lot of wax and stuff on it, you probably hate the rain, period. And that's how you experience the morning, just to explain Veronica's segue there. Let's talk about the drought update, though. Actually, I'm really surprised by this week. No change at all. I was expecting further reduction in drought status, not like completely making it disappear, but maybe just a few more areas getting lower to level this week, but we saw zero change across the state at all. All the numbers are the same, so which is surprising to me, considering much of our viewing area saw 300% of normal October rainfall, and places up in the Bay Area saw record October rainfall. And they saw some reduction in the Bay Area last week, but not much, and we got nothing this week. So color me shocked. Right now, locally, still in extreme drought for most of the viewing area, with the far eastern fringes in exceptional drought. Weather pattern is going to stay pretty active, though. The jet stream a little farther to the south. We see these little lumps here. These are weak little troughs in the jet stream. All of them have weather systems associated with it. This is the little shortwave trough that brought a cold front through this morning. Another one here. That one won't have any direct impacts on it, but we're going to keep seeing these little bumps in the jet stream really for the next week or so, with a stronger storm system making aim here on the central coast as we head into early next week, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But let's start with our short-term futurecast. We'll get you through the evening tonight, the day tomorrow, and into that weekend, which is going to be a mostly dry forecast. Futurecast is showing mostly clear skies tonight. Can't rule out some fog, though. A lot of low-level moisture once again, and that moisture is going to settle down into the valleys with mostly clear skies tonight. The temperatures will start to drop, and that cool air drains slowly out of the mountains, pooling in the low levels, and that air is going to be fairly moist. And once you get to a certain point, that air can no longer hold the moisture anymore, and it becomes fully saturated. And we live in fog town, so that's what the valley is going to look like tomorrow morning. Watch out for areas of reduced visibility. Good news is, once the sun comes up tomorrow, it'll look a lot nicer out there. Sun will come out, mostly sunny skies. It will be cooler than we are today, though, as that cooler air mass settles in. And then late tomorrow, some high clouds will start to span on in from the southwest. So it'll be a mostly sunny day tomorrow, but as we head into Saturday, there's another chance of some light precipitation as a weak weather system passes by. But let's get to your Friday temperatures first. We'll see highs in the 60s down into Capitola, Santa Cruz, upper 60s in Scotts Valley and Felton. Ben Lomond and Boulder Creek coming back into the low 70s tomorrow. Looking pretty nice up there in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Not too hot, not too cold. 67 in Salinas, Watsonville 66. Highs just a little cool for this time of year. 72 in Gilroy and Hollister tomorrow, with mid-60s back along the Bay Shore. Over to Monterey and the Peninsula, we'll see high temperatures in the low to mid-60s. PG, the cool spot at 61 in Monterey. About 4 degrees shy of your normal October, early November high, I should say, at 67. And then down south, we'll see highs in the 60s and 70s in the Salinas Valley, and low 70s back toward the coast. Now, I do want to look into that long-term forecast. I mentioned a chance of some light rain on Saturday. There's one weak weather system that's just going to pass by to our north. I don't really think we'll see much in the way of rain here locally, but a few sprinkles will be possible. May get the drizzle machine going on Saturday evening. So don't change any of your plans, but it will be cool and a little damp out there, I think, Saturday afternoon. The bigger storm is going to come in on Monday, and this is Monday at noon. And notice it's just starting to head toward the California coast. Now, we've been talking about this storm for quite some time now, several days at least, and there's a much better signal in the computer models on what to expect from it. So I'm getting much more confidence on what to expect. It looks like a late Monday night into Tuesday morning affair for us here around the Monterey Bay region, and I'm expecting light to moderate rain. No heavy rain expected with this system. It does have a lot of moisture to work with it, but it'll be aimed a little bit more into northern California before sliding through our area quickly during the day on Tuesday. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast now as we look into the weekend. A few sprinkles on Saturday. Notice the temperature's a little on the cool side. The reason is we'll have reinforcing blows of cool northwesterly wind as we head into the weekend. There's that chance of rain late Monday into Tuesday, but beyond that, system actually looks like it's going to warm up a little bit toward the end of next week, and looks like a pretty nice Veterans Day. I know we'll have the parade here in Salinas on next Thursday. As we look at that inland forecast, also pretty cool for this time of year as we head through the weekend. Partly cloudy skies. We're watching rain chances on Monday and Tuesday. Veterans Day looking beautiful, and of course, daylight saving time ends this weekend. You get to sleep in an extra hour, but the bad news is the sun sets an hour earlier, so that's exciting.